So mag-solve tayo for the drug conversion is, let's start. Number 1. The doctor orders amoxicillin 250 mg per rm dry 3 times a day. So the stock on hand is amoxicillin 125 mg per 5 ml. So how many ml do you need to administer per dose? So how many ml daw do you need to administer per dose? So start tayo is doctor's orders is 250. So may formula tayo. 'Di ba? May formula tayo na doctor's orders. Ano ba yung formula natin? Pakita nga. It is doctor's order divided by the stock on hand and the multiply by quantity. So doctor's order, stock on hand, and multiply by quantity is equals to n. So ilan ba yung doctor's order natin? So our doctor's order is 250 mg per rm 3 times a day. So 250 mg divide by stock on hand natin is 125 mg. It is 125 mg times quantity per 5 ml equals to, okay, cancel out lang tayo dito. Cancel. Ilang 125 ba na meron sa 250 mg? Dalawa, di ba? So 2 times 5 ml is equals to 10 ml per dose. So check na tayo sa number 1 natin, the question. Now, how many ml do you need to administer per dose? Ito, 10 ml per dose tayo. 10 ml. Next is, how many ml do you need to administer in a day? Since TID ito siya 3 times a day, itong 10 ml natin, 10 ml times 3 lang natin ito, times 3 equals to 30 ml per day. So 30 ml per day. Tapos na rin tayo sa number 2 ng how many ml do you need to administer in a day. So dapat alam natin yung mga abbreviations ng PID, TID. Madali lang naman yan. So intindihin. So first is the doctor's order, 250 mg, and the stock on hand is 125 mg, nilagay natin, times the quantity of 5 ml. So it equals to 2 times 5 ml is equals to 10 ml per dose. And since TID siya, ang 10 ml natin i-multiply natin by 3 is 30 ml per day. So meron diyang 10 ml per 8 hours. So next, move to number 2. Okay, the doctor orders cefaclor 150 mg per rm BID. The stock on hand is cefaclor 75 mg per ml. How many ml do you need to administer per dose? So walang sinabi na ml, so automatically it is 1. So ulit, formula is T over H times Q is equals to N. So the doctor's order is 150 mg. 150 mg divided by 75 mg times 1 ml. Walang indication na 1 siya, but it is automatically 1 since no value 1 ml. So ilang 75 ba meron sa 150? Di ba dalawa? 2. Cancel out lang natin to, times 1 ml equals to 2 ml per dose. So 2 ml per dose. 2 ml. Check na tayo sa number 1. Check na tayo sa number 1 natin. Next is, how many ml do you need to administer in a day? Since BID ito siya, and BID means is 2 times a day. So, ang 2 ml natin, 2 ml is times 2 equals to 4 ml per day. Ganun lang kadali. 4 ml siya. 4 ml. Madali lang, di ba? Okay, next is number 3. Okay. The doctor orders paracetamol 325 mg per RM as needed. So, the stock on hand is paracetamol 162.5 mg per tablet. So, how many tablets should be administered per dose? Let's start with D over H times Q is equals to N, and start with the doctor's order, which is 325 mg divided by the stock on hand is 162.5 mg times 1 tablet. So, need natin i-calculator to siya. 325 divided by 162.5. Hindi naman pala need i-calculate. Alam ko naman yun. Cancel out lang natin to. Cancel out din to. Times 1 tab. So, is equals to 2 tabs per dose. 2 tablets. Ganun lang. Madali lang.